To sum it up, while resting from sim-related projects, I'm building this 1:8 scale IXO licensed model of the Lancia 037 rally car. It will take about 132 weeks, and I intend to make a whole series how I'm building this car. But enough about this, let's see what you missed in the last episode.
I screwed together some metal parts, the lower frame is born,
Right,
and finally the steering
center.
assembly is operational.
Nice and smooth. With this out of the way, let's start building. With the steering rack assembly complete, we are moving to the fun part. Kit 7. Left suspension. So time to unbox. This is some sort of color. In English it's called bell. Okay, here a part is hiding and I will be searching for it. It has L on it. So marking for left. Okay, so this is the protector part of the steering shaft assembly. Some more of those small SM screws. More of those. Still L. Everything should be L. This should be the tie rod, yes. And the rest of the parts are here with some more screws. And here, my favorite small SM screws right in the center. And these long ones right over here on the side. So that's it. We have some covers. This bevel, which is a cover of sorts. Lower or upper part of the suspension. Does it say? Upper left suspension arm. We are ready to begin. 7B is one of those brackets. It's this bracket. It goes like this. This is easy. Then the cover goes like this. Will it fit? It has these notches. We are in business. Which screw? AM. Okay. AM it is. Needs more convincing. Nice. And this is how you do it. Looks like this. Yes, it does. No. Wait. We're not there yet. Front build. Same thing, other side. This goes down. This goes like this. And then we have to put this in. Okay. There it is. We need some more of my spray. What's your guess? It's almost great. Come on, tree, do your job. Let's see. This is perfect. Buttery smooth. Nice. Let's wipe it up. And this now is how it's supposed to be. Steering column already we have to assemble. Here it is. In which direction? This direction. Yo, you see it has opening where to fit. Here we go. Nice. I like it. Yes, we are on to something. And screw, it's already in. Step 4, steering rack. Okay, tie rod goes in the bell. This we know. Here you go. From this side or the other. Doesn't matter. Okay, we are watching it from this side. Then this goes up like this. something like this. Okay, we know it should be with this pointing up. Let's pre-thread it till all the way. It's pre-threaded and now it should be easier to assemble. Let's check once more. This goes on this side and off you go. It's in till the end, nice and flush. Front suspension taking shape. This goes like this, yes. Then this goes over here, yes. Then this goes here, and we screw it with SM. Yes, there it is. Nice. We already figured this out. This goes here, this goes here. Pulls this way, but this goes through here. There. Let's go in. Done. One more side to do. All in. And now already out of parts. This should be down. I managed to squeeze it through. So it should be something like this. So now we have to assemble the lower frame and the steering rack together. We're using again our favorite SM small screws. Left arm apparently through the picture goes up, so it's not in the way. You can see it here. So we were supposed to mount it right over here. There it is. There it is. I don't see the hole, neither do you. But we just hope it's somewhere there. Which it is. And with this we conclude this part of the assembly. It's like this, looks like this. Looks okay to me. It's a little on all the sides. This is why we need the right part, which is on the left. And the right part, which is on the left, we find in kit number 8. Let's move this aside and continue our journey. We have more of the same that you already watched. Let's try to be more quick about it, because now we know what we are doing. Okay. Short way is the way. This goes here in the dedicated groove. This moves much freely than the other counterpart on the left side. So I presume we are going to the next part, which should be like this, because it goes like this. Air, the right one. And now we need the tree magic. It moves freely now. This is done. Let's assemble it exactly how it is on the other side. Squeeze it here. Steering rack is in, so it's tight. Let's do the brace. Finally I can tighten this then. Nice. And now we can continue with this brace or whatever, or steering damper. Is it a damper? Could be a damper, I don't know. It's just a metal part, but it has some different diameters here. Maybe it's who knows what it is. I have to read more carefully. This one is not straight, of course, like 90% of the ones that I already drove in. I cannot really see from here well, but it looks to be in a little on the black. I stripped the paint, but it is quite square and straight. Okay, let's say we are done at this stage. So now we have to continue with the steering arm. Same as before, just screw this in. I just don't remember from which side I have to pass the mounting screw. From the top one, it's this side, retrace. It's already flush. From the top, this faces bottom, so we just put it right here and tighten it. Front end starts to look more and more finished with every step. Now they say we have to cover the end of the steering rack. When I steer, how they think it will... Ooh, it actually works if you're not steering too much. Okay, we'll see how this behaves once we assemble the rest of the parts. Okay, we basically have to assemble this. This is something we already know. We just put it here and screw it with the small SM screws. Getting more and more complicated because here we have more parts in the way. Okay, I think I managed this one. Next side, there it is. It's tight, but it's done. Don't miss any of our news, okay? Steering assembly and upper part of the suspension and the front wall frame are complete. There. Marvel in its completeness. For 3 kits, that's it. Not so many parts, but not that easy. There, hit it one more time. There. Now let's build some bigger parts. Kit 9 has the firewall in it. We are assembling those, and the rest of the kits, as far as I remember, have other parts of the front tubular frame. So we're going to open carefully this, so we don't cut something important, like my finger, for example. This is some cover for something. Okay, filters with lines. This is some sort of cap or something. It actually says cap here in the instruction. This is the firewall itself. 2 brackets, universal joint bracket. Here is the firewall, metal firewall, heavy. One more bracket we need for something, and a very small amount of screws. Let's see, step 1, position the 2 brackets. Okay, let's position the brackets. It's like this, if you can see it, that part down. So this elevated part should be on top. Now let's try to put it in place somehow. Of course there are more screws, I just didn't saw them here. This explains a lot. These are some thicker screws. Let's try again. Like this, like that. It's not going straight, of course it's not going straight. The zip goes very hard with the whole paint in the thread. There we have it. One more. Let's try. See what happens. There it is. Nice. I have this groove here and that groove here. So we just put them in. Okay, positioned it. Great. So let's do it on the other side. It is positioned there. It's in position. It's positioned. Windshield washer fluid reservoir. Where is the reservoir? It's only a flat cover. They're lying to me, there is no reservoir. Where is the reservoir? Reservoir. It's not here. Flat cover. Why? And a small tiny cap which goes. Ooh. Accident waiting to happen. I actually managed to do it without breaking it. Nice. Connect all holes 12 centimeters. It's 12.5 centimeters. I'll cut it for the time being. but it's not 12 centimeters. And now they could have made me do this before I mount those filters. It will be easier since this goes here, right in the back. Somehow. We don't know yet. Short part on the opposite side, of course. Short is how many centimeters? 4.5. Is it? It's like 5. Fair enough. Better longer than shorter. It's in all the way in. So these are done. No, we don't need tweezers for that. My fingers are strong enough to make the proper connection. We're going firewall on the wall frame. Come on, wall frame. This goes here. So steering column in here. Position it like this. Looks legit. We need 4 of those in. One is in. Let's try another one. This we matched. 2 more to go. And last one. Tighten all of them. Yes, tightened all the way. This will straighten up the frame a little. Nice. This is nicely attached. This is in place. It's driving a hard bargain, this one. Yes, it's tight. Everything is very tight. And now what is left is for us to assemble the universal joint. Yet another one. Nice. Another one. There you have it. Universal jointing. So which means we are done. We are done with this part. And let's move now to kit 10, which is battery. It has a battery carrier, a battery and a battery cover. One of those disappointing kits that don't have much parts, but the battery looks nice. Magneti Marelli, Italian quality. I'm sure this goes like, well, let's not hurry because I think I have to mount some other things. And again we have some screws, why not? Let's open those here, SP, and try not to forget which are what this time, like every time. And the SM, which are till now the most common today. Here, SM, SP. This, and the battery terminals which fell and I didn't saw them. Battery terminals, cover, battery, cover, and stand. We put this like this here. Careful not to break, of course. I was hoping for a quick win. I managed. This counts like quick win. And one terminal. Yes. Another terminal. Yes. Does it say which is positive, which is negative? No. Is it too much to ask? Yes, so let's assemble now the carrier. You cannot mistake it. It has only one position that it can go. Nice. And secure it with SP screws. SP screws are those ones. Let's secure it. Nice. Should we check with the center? It's torqued down. Okay, well done. Step 3. Place the battery on the battery compartment and fasten it from behind using SM screws. Screw it from behind, people. So we put it here in these 2 holes, if you can see. Hope it's in. And now from behind with our favorite SM bodies. I'll try to make it the faster way. I swear it went on the wrong side again, but I managed. Let's try to make at least this one straight. More brute force. Okay, it's not straight, but it's in. The battery, it is in. Magneti, Marelli. Finished. SM, general view, we are done. More general view on the other side here. That's it.